Hey, it's Terry, the Dubai guy. Well, guess what? We've had our huge snowfall and I've become that guy. Check out the snow that I have to shovel out of the way with the snow blower. It's freaking crazy out here. Check it all out. Look how deep it is. We must have had, that looks like 12 to 16 inches of snow out here. Listen, to all you people that don't want to be stuck in your driveway, check this out. Look at the city done. They plowed everybody, all the residents in. You're trapped in your own home. If you don't want to be trapped in your own home, you should get a place with me in Dubai. We have a special on right now, 225k Canadian all in. If you could pay that, there's even a discount for all cash purchasers. If not, it's like $2,000 a month with around 39,000 down. So unless you want to be one of these guys like I am, don't be that guy, be the Dubai guy. So buy something from me because I got something for you.